Hey, Sierra Leoneans, if you're looking for a big truck for your granite stone and your sand so that you can profit and get money for value, this is a truck you need right here.
Mama, where we they say this they do? Where is no way boku? Now that big motoka so, and I make 11 people there. The motoka is big.
Means you want trip how much?
They want trip so.
So guys, you see the triple a big eh? A big oh, so like for an example now, this 12 tire now, so you understand. In one trip, let's say when you call for them 6 tire, 9 3 trip this so 3 trip 9 this one is solid. It's very good for stone and for sand, especially when you want concrete. If you road good, this one to cargo enter inside. It will save you plenty time. So now if the builder asks you for go 8 trip, look at you just get 3 trip of this, you 9 trip don't lay down. You get surplus. It's way bigger. So guys, obviously if you want contact me, leave message, na me DM or the comment. I will get back to you with the contact. Okay, as you can see, now the 9 trip is so okay, 3 trip, that's it. Follow and subscribe and contact me if you need any more.